excited to see you, Mrs. Santa.
Is your kids upstairs or downstairs?
They are upstairs.
Okay.
All right. Bye, Mrs. Santa.
Bye.
I'll see you shortly.
Okay. Want to take a picture? Well, the kids are playing with other toys they just gave them yesterday. Well, I have to get them more toys for the rest of the day, because maybe it will be more Christmas time.
Oh, okay.